All of the things that I wish I could tell you, every time when you're passing me by, I fall in love. There's something about you, I wish you were mine.
Hi everybody, I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today as always. I hope you guys are safe and well. Let me know down below how you guys are doing. I would love to have a chat with you in the comments. In today's video, I thought I would share with you my kind of go-to items for this quarantine to make me feel good and uplift my mood. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I think we're all struggling at the moment. It's been a really long time since we've all been out and been able to see each other, and I think that it's definitely important to have a lot of self-care in this time to make sure that we're all doing well and we're all gonna keep sane. So I thought I would share with you my favourite things I've been using currently and kind of go through why I think you would really benefit from them too. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So the first thing I'm going to recommend to you guys is the Rub Shower Scrub, and I've picked this product simply because my skin has never felt so soft and luxurious with any other product. This product is definitely a 10 out of 10 in terms of scrub, in terms of how it makes me feel. It's not overly expensive either. It does cost £11 and that is for a generous amount, so it's not going to break the bank or anything like that. However, I just really love the product. The scent is so light and subtle, so it's good for anybody, and you can actually wash your hair with it, so it's definitely a 2-in-1 product. I just really love this, and I think that it's definitely worth your money if you're feeling a little bit down and you want a nice treat. The next item is definitely one that you would have heard of, and that is the Sleepy body lotion. Now, this item is one of my all-time favourite body lotions ever. I have mentioned it in many videos and I'm sure you definitely would have heard it if you haven't tried it already. This is a Twilight scented body lotion. If you guys didn't know, I absolutely love Twilight scented things. I think they smell amazing. They're so relaxing and calming and really good just for your overall mood, so it's such a good product to have, especially in this time. If you guys haven't tried this product, I would really recommend it. It makes my skin feel so soft, especially if I use this in conjunction with the Rub Shower Scrub. They both make my skin feel amazing and they make me sleep so well. The next item is a hair treatment, and I popped this one in just because I love treating my hair. I am a very big advocate in that you need to look after your hair. Trust me, I have dyed my hair more times than I can even count, and it's definitely taken its toll. Like, I really am trying to grow my hair, hence why I don't tend to put a lot of heat on it anymore, which you guys would definitely have noticed in a lot of videos. I have curled a few pieces, but everything under here is completely natural, so I've tried to hide it as much as possible. I do believe that you need to look after your hair a lot, and I think that when your hair is fresh and soft, it definitely uplifts my mood. I don't know about you guys, but when my hair feels amazing, it definitely makes me feel a little bit better. So I've decided to pop in the Roots hair treatment. Now, this hair treatment I have mentioned in many a video. It's such a beautiful product. It makes my hair grow so fast. It's peppermint, spearmint, so it's really lovely and soothing on the scalp as well. Just overall, it's one of my all-time favourite hair treatments. I am really into this product, and I have probably bought about 7 or 8 of them in the past. Like, I love it so much. I'm not gonna lie to you, it isn't cheap. It is £14, but you don't need a lot, and it is definitely worth it in my opinion if you want a really nice hair treatment or if you're trying to get your hair to grow. The next item is something I don't think I've ever mentioned on my channel before, and that is the Salted Coconut Hand Scrub. This product is £9. It's not overly cheap, but it does last a very long time simply because you don't need to use a lot of it. This product is so nice. Firstly, it smells amazing. It's got a very marzipan coconutty scent, so it's really lovely and sweet and fresh. However, I love how it makes my hands feel. I used to use this all the time when I was working there. I used to, every time I would do a demo, I would use it after, and my hands never felt so soft in my whole life. Obviously, I would use this in conjunction with a hand cream just to kind of keep that moisture going, but if you already have a hand cream at home, this is definitely something you should look into. It's so lovely, and it's definitely a nice treat, and it should really uplift your mood too. The next item is an oldie but a goodie, and this is the Mask of Magnaminty. I've spoken about this item so much on my channel, and I think that if you haven't tried it by now, you definitely need to. It's £9, so again, it's not overly cheap, but you don't need to use a lot of it. I use this product all the time. I'm working from home at the moment, as a lot of people are, and I have literally been putting this on my face twice a week while I'm doing my work. Like, it makes me so soft and smooth. It's cooling, it gets rid of any spots I have, and I rate this product so highly. It's probably one of those products from Lush that I will never stop using, simply because it really, really works, and I just love it. The next item is a toner water, and this is the Tea Tree Toner Water. Now, I've used this product for a really, really long time. I never really mention it just because for me toner waters are kind of standard. I feel like you kind of use them and they do what they're supposed to do, and that's kind of how it works. But for me, the Tea Tree Toner Water just really, really helps my skin glow. It makes it really, really clear, especially if I use it with all of the other products I'm using at the moment, and I just really, really like it. Again, if you're having a bit of a down day and your skin's not feeling great, or if it's a bit oily or spot prone, this product is unbelievable. I've used it for so long and I can't rate it enough. I absolutely love it. It is £6 for a small bottle, so it is not cheap, and there's definitely other options out there that you could use that's probably a bit more affordable, but if you want something that's going to be a really nice treat for your skin, definitely give this one a go. It's so lovely. I cannot recommend it enough. And last but definitely not least, I thought I would put a classic product in here, and this is the Twilight Bath Bomb. At times like this, I think that self-care is very, very important, and I think that a nice bath bomb is just going to really do what you need it to do. It's going to make you so relaxed and so calm and peaceful, and I think we all need a bit of that at the moment, so I had to put in Twilight because it's my fave. You guys know this already. It is £3.95. It's not the most expensive bath bombs that Lush do, but it's definitely not cheap either, so it's definitely more of a treat item, more of a luxury treat, and yeah, I would definitely give it a go if you haven't already. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know if you have any of these products, or if you are going to get any of these products. I would absolutely love to know in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well, as I would absolutely love to reach 10k this year. Fingers crossed it happens. It's been a goal of mine for a very long time, so if you haven't subscribed, please do, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys!